Good morning and welcome back to the vlog, the Montenegro mini-series. This is episode 2 of that series. It is currently just about 7 AM here in Montenegro. The sun hasn't come up yet. It's still looking pretty nice here. Today we're going to go and meet a fellow vlogger. I don't know how much we're going to be able to get on camera, if any, but he's somebody that's really prevalent in the Harley Davidson vlogging world. He has switched to a different form of transport, so yeah, definitely go and check him out, but wait later in the video and we will expose that for sure. And then we're going to go and take our 350 Roberto Rapid on a bit of an exploring round Montenegro, go and check out some of the sights, some of the scenes, see how many Ks we can get done. So yeah, this is going to be a really fun episode, so stick around for that. Now, if you haven't been to Montenegro, they are currently doing a lot of roadworks. We didn't mind so much so because it was so early in the morning. That's the airport, really small airport, but they are developing Montenegro and it is going to be really cool. Yeah, we are at the marina, if that gives you a clue of who we're meeting. Black Pearl. Look at the size of that. At this point, we had been for breakfast and Danny and Eva showed us around their boat, and wow, it's so much more impressive in person. We didn't record breakfast as I really wanted to respect the invitation and respect their privacy, so I didn't even ask. Looking behind me, we're in the marina. We have just had lovely breakfast with Danny Hayes and Eva. Really good. What do you think? We had so much fun, didn't we? Really nice, down-to-earth people. And thank you very much. If you do ever watch this, thank you very much for inviting us to go for breakfast and coffee. Yeah, that's some really nice food. And have a look around here. I mean, you can smell the money around here. It's fucking crazy. It's beautiful. The Black Pearl. The Black Pearl is worth £500 million Australian dollars, which is like 250 million pounds, sterling pounds. How the other half live. It's crazy, but it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. What do you think to our breakfast, Em?
It was nice.
It was nice.
Nice
yeah.
company too.
It was really nice company. So I can't thank it enough. What a trip so far, and we're only on what day are we on? Day 3. We're on day 3. So in the rest of this vlog, we're going to go on the bike now. We're going to go and explore some of these beautiful mountains. We're going to go round to that town, which is where we are now, and see what this place has got. We're 40 k's south of here, and it's just like a different world to us. We are from, obviously, Birmingham, United Kingdom, well, just above Birmingham, United Kingdom, and this is just a completely different world for us. Em's getting her photos done, but what an incredible morning, absolutely incredible morning. And Danny's yacht is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. A lot bigger in person than it is on camera. It looks a lot smaller on camera. Obviously, we watch his vlogs, and I've been watching his channel for a long time, and he kind of inspired me to start this channel. And yeah, so Emily reached out to him just on a post on a story and just said, we're going to Montenegro. Do you want to tell us anywhere that we can go, that we can visit? And he replied back and invited us some coffee. So yeah, like I say, Danny, if you're watching this, Eva, if you're watching this, absolute pleasure to meet you both. Thank you for inviting us. currently in the Skadar region by the lake. It's absolutely mind-blowing. It's so fucking nice. These are probably up there with some of the nicest roads I've ever ridden with them around. So we're like borderline lost, but there's worse places to be lost. This is absolutely stunning. Spin you around. This is what their local rivers look like, and they are definitely something else. And the scenery, well, it's beautiful, but I can't help but think there's not a lot of money around here. It's like beautifully dirty. There's a lot of rubbish everywhere, but it's like an abnormal amount. It's just piled up at the sides of the roads, and it looks like it hasn't been touched or moved for a long time. I suppose it's just really different to what we're used to in the UK. What do you think about where we are?
Yeah, you can tell they haven't got any money around here. Like there's the bin man going out on the Sunday, so they must be working hard to try and get some.
Yeah, there's no doubt that these people absolutely graft. I mean, the builders by where we're staying down on the coast, they're still working in what, like 20-man teams? It's like, and it's hot. It's hot today. It's got to be about 26 degrees at the minute, but 26 degrees here feels obviously a lot hotter than what it does back home. But yeah, we're going to try and figure out where we are.
We're in Pod.
We're where?
We're in Engarn. I just had it over.
Where are we?
Podikoria.
Let me see. Podgorica. I'll put it on the screen anyway. but we're quite a way away from the coast now, and what was an adventure around coastal mountains has sort of turned into getting fucking lost.
Basically, Adam got too excited following the adventure bikes in front and thought, oh, I'll follow them.
Yeah, basically, yeah. There's two Austrian guys on their adventure bikes, and yeah, I was like, yeah, maybe they know where they're going. It's going to be really cool sights to see and all that sort of good stuff. And they fucked off a different way, and I wanted to see this river. This is what caught my eye. I mean, the colour of the rivers around here is beautiful, the colour of the water in general. And we're going to head back now down to Skadar Lake, which is the biggest lake in the Balkans. So, yeah, back on it. You ready to go? Yeah? Right, we're going to head back down to the lake now and see if we can find our way back down there. Don't have any phone holders, camera holders or anything like that, so Emmy's being an absolute gem, and she's doing all of the filming for me from the back of the bike, which is really good of her. But yeah, let's oh, that shade's nice. That shade is nice. Yeah, really funky little place. We just stopped off at a coffee shop, and there's one thing for sure here: the coffee is absolutely delicious, and it looks the bollocks too. What have you had?
Had a matcha.
A matcha.
I'm in the green.
Green. Do you want a drink that matches a t-shirt?
I wanted something cold and boiling.
Yeah, and I've gone for a cappuccino. I've been trying to do all this art stuff on my coffee machine at home, but it's a lot to be desired. Yeah. Enjoyed our coffee, really nice. If you are ever in, what is it? Podgorica. I think that's, I'll put it on the screen now, the name of the town. If you're ever there, check out my own coffee shop. Yeah, really, really nice coffee. Perfect, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. Right, we're going to head back down to the lake and take you guys down there with us, because there's so much to show you in such a short period of time, so we'll do our absolute best to do that. But yeah, let's go and get back on the bike.